So here is how you can open the mail attachments on your iPhone. Let's get started. If you're new here, subscribe and we can get into it. So as you can see, if I go to the mail app, there is going to be, I literally have one of the latest emails right there. And there is the first original message, which has some PDF file attached, and there is an image attached, right? And in order to open it, right, it depends on what it actually is, because if it's an image, I can just tap on it and I see it already like this. But if it's just something like that, and if it doesn't open, so I can click on it like this and it opened for me right away. But if it doesn't open, what you could do is, instead of just like clicking on it right here, because it might be of different file type, right? What you could do is to click on a download like this, right? So there's this little download button next to it, and you can save the attachment right here. So I'm going to click on this, and it's going to ask me where exactly I want to store it. So I can choose the downloads folder or wherever else. You can see I can tap on this like folder, which is just called this way. I'm going to click on save, right? And right now I can leave the mail app, go to the files app right here, which we just used to store the attachment. I'm going to get inside and I just need to find the folder which I saved it in. So I get inside and you can see this is the latest one. So you can even tell that it is from Alexander, which is the person sending me the email, and it's also indicated with the mail icon in the right. So that's like a huge or a nice sign that this is the attachment from the email, right? And we can try to open it like this. Hopefully it's gonna work, and if not, you can hold down on it and click on open with, because hopefully you're going to have some different apps available which will allow you to open at that file type. So it really depends on what it is. If it's something like PDF, then you should have the ability to click on it and make it open right away. But if it's something a little bit more interesting, like some kind of files which you specifically need a third-party app to open, then you'll need to go through this approach and open it inside of the application like that. So I hope it helps. I really hope that I was able to guide you through it and tell you how you can open your attachments. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.